Welcome to today's video. If you are a man and have been feeling chronically tired, experiencing low libido, or struggling to focus, you might be dealing with low testosterone levels. Today, we will dive into 7 signs that indicate low testosterone levels and what to do about it. Sign number 1. You struggle to get out of bed in the morning. Fatigue and low energy are common signs of low testosterone. You may find it challenging to wake up early and feel energized. Sign number 2. You wake up with no morning wood. Regular morning erections are normal, and not experiencing them could be a sign of low testosterone levels. Sign number 3. Low libido. Testosterone is crucial for libido. A significant drop in sexual desire might indicate that your testosterone levels are below the norm. Sign number 4. You struggle to get things done. High testosterone levels are associated with motivation and productivity. If you're facing difficulty staying motivated, it might be linked to low testosterone. Sign number 5. Depression and anxiety. Low testosterone has been linked to mood swings, depression, and reduced stress tolerance. Sign number 6. You're not seeing results in the gym. Testosterone plays a vital role in muscle growth and fat loss. Low levels can make it difficult to build muscle and lose fat. Sign number 7. Unable to concentrate. Poor focus and brain fog can be indicative of low testosterone, as sex hormones have profound effects on cognitive functions. Before we delve into solutions, it's important to stress the importance of blood testing. To really understand your testosterone levels, consult a healthcare professional and get a blood test. This will provide you with an accurate measurement and help in determining the right course of action. Now, let's talk about how to combat low testosterone levels naturally. You might not need testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT. Lifestyle adjustments can significantly impact your testosterone levels. Here is a summary of steps you can take to naturally increase your testosterone levels, along with real-life examples. First, fix nutrient deficiencies. For instance, if you are deficient in zinc, try including more zinc-rich foods like oysters or pumpkin seeds in your diet. You can also talk to your doctor about taking a zinc supplement. Second, get lean. Aiming for a body fat percentage between 10 to 15% can help. Take John, for example, who switched to a balanced diet and started a mixed cardio and weight training routine, helping him reduce his body fat from 25% to 13%, which boosted his testosterone levels. Third, daily sunlight exposure is vital. Sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D, which is linked to testosterone production. Just like David, who began taking daily 20-minute walks during his lunch break, you can incorporate this habit into your daily routine. Fourth, optimize your sleep. Establish a regular sleep schedule, just like Mark, who created a nightly routine to wind down an hour before bed, ensuring he gets 8 to 9 hours of sleep. Fifth, include a cholesterol and saturated fat in your diet. Foods like eggs and red meat are excellent sources. Consider Alex, who began eating 2 eggs for breakfast and noticed an improvement in his energy levels and mood. Sixth, an animal-based diet can be beneficial. Including lean meats, fish, and dairy can contribute to raising testosterone levels. Sam, for example, included salmon in his meals 3 times a week and felt more energetic and focused. Seventh, avoid low-quality fats and xenoestrogens. Xenoestrogens are chemicals that can mimic estrogen in your body and can be found in plastics. Eighth, avoid tap water and fluoride. Opt for filtered water instead. Take the example of Chris, who installed a water filter in his home and saw benefits in his overall health. Ninth, consume vitamin E-rich foods, such as almonds and spinach. For instance, Peter added a handful of almonds to his daily snacks, which helped in boosting his testosterone levels. 10th, engage in high-intensity weightlifting. Like Tom, who started a weightlifting program focusing on compound exercises like squats and deadlifts, and experienced an increase in his testosterone levels. 11th, don't overdo cardio and take walks outside. Balancing cardiovascular exercise with a relaxing outdoor walk, like James, who replaced one of his weekly high-intensity cardio sessions with a nature walk, can be beneficial for your testosterone levels. Please note that individual results may vary, and always consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Take charge of your health, and consider implementing these steps to help increase your testosterone levels naturally. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.